God has great blessings that are about to enter your life because you have believed for so long. You never gave up. You remained faithful. Your dedication, passion, and patience are about to pay off in a major way. Everything is about to make sense. It is time to live again. You have suffered long enough. You have lost enough. You have mastered the art of looking okay when you were not. You have learned to show up when you really wanted to give up. Now it is time for you to live. God said, "It is your time, it is your turn." God is saying to you today, you are entering a new season where everything will start to go your way. It is time you had enough lessons. You did the work, you overcame so much. You believed even it when was hard too. You never gave up. You pushed through it all. Now it is your time to receive my blessings in a major way. Type yes if you believe in God.